So guys, the website I will be using to make at least a minimum of 1,000 naira every single day is called Nairaworkers. I'll leave a link that in the description. So once you click on the link in the description, be taken to the sign up page where you sign up. You sign up with your email address, fill in your details, then confirm your email address. After that, you'll be brought, as you can see right here, by Nairaworkers. Nairaworkers.com is a freelancing, outsourcing, and crowdsourcing marketplace. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. Through our marketplace, clients can hire freelancers to do work in areas such as promoting on social networks, writing, testing websites, data entering, downloading, searching, installing, and testing mobile apps, right through to watching YouTube videos and taking surveys. As you can see, Nairaworkers is more like Fiverr or Upwork, is a Nigeria version of Fiverr and Upwork. So what you simply do here is to perform, as you can see right here, perform the 2 tasks, taking surveys and all that, and after which you'll be paid. The good thing about Nairaworkers is that payment, once your task has been approved, you are paid instantly. And anybody can do this. You can do this as a student or as a working clerk. You can do this as a part-time also. During your free time, just come out here, perform some little task, and that's it. So guys, what you want to do once you find your Nairaworkers page is to, once you sign up and you log into your account, what you need to do next is go to your dashboard. As you can see, let me go to my dashboard so you can see my dashboard. As you can see right here, jobs completed 48. To show you that this website is 100% legit, because I've withdrawn from this website 2 times now, and guys, it's 100% legit. As you can see right here, my pending balance, I have 192 naira 20 kobo. As you can see, heading task 0. As you can see, jobs posted, because I've posted jobs, I think 4. As you can see right here, 4 jobs. As you can see, in order for you to start any money, what you want to do is what you need to do next is to click on this 3 menu icon, this 3 menu icon right here, right up icon. Once you click on it, as you can see right here, we have dashboard, we have profile, we have available jobs, we have wallet, we have accounts. So what you want to do is to click on available jobs, so you'll be able to see the jobs that are available that you can participate on. As you can see right here, available jobs, always check back for more jobs. As you can see right here, delight training plus WhatsApp. As you can see, this is a WhatsApp group. You pay 30 naira, you'll be paid 22 naira 10 kobo. As you can see right here, Instagram follow. This one simply means that you are to follow. Once you click on it, you follow this person on Instagram and you pay 7 naira 20 kobo. As you can see right here, Facebook shared wall. As you can see, this one pay 33 naira 50 kobo. And as you can see right here, under the description, you must have 300 plus friends. As you can see right here, this one is gold mine earning income. As you can see, this one will pay you 25 naira. As you can see right here, youtube.com/channel. As you can see, this is a YouTube channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. As you can see, this one pay 15 naira. You can see share it. So first thing first, when you come across this jobs, these available jobs, what you want to do next is to simply click on view jobs right here. To click on view jobs right here, then you'll be able to access the jobs, to know what the job is all about, and also to know if you'll be able to participate or if you'll be able to perform the task. As you can see right here where it says what is expected from workers, click on the link and subscribe to the YouTube channel. As you can see right, this is the link, YouTube link. And the required proof that task was finished, send me the name used to subscribe to the YouTube channel. As you can see, that's very easy. So guys, let me just do this one to show you guys how it really works. You can either do this using your mobile device, your mobile phone, or your laptop, your PC, whatever. As you can see right here, Believers Sanctuary. As you can see right here, this is what it is. So all you simply need to do is to click on this red subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell. Then you take a screenshot. Of this. That's it, guys. After that, you come back. You go back to your Nairaworkers page. Then right here under the proof, which is this time for you to submit the proof. Right here, you just write YouTube channel name, submit. As you can see, upload first proof, which is the proof, the screenshot that we took. So right, you just hit download. Once you click on that, you hit download, then you upload the screenshot. you can see the screenshot has been uploaded. Then you scroll and you press submit proof. You see right here, submit proof. As you can see right here, where it says your proof has been submitted. As you can see right here, your proof has been submitted and will be verified. As you can see right here, that's it, guys. So after that, you go back again to available jobs. As you can see right here, go back again to available jobs. You just search for the ones that you can also do. So social rebel, these are all the ones that you can do, and after which you'll be paid. So guys, it's as easy as that. You can see this one will pay 30 naira, this one pay 7 naira 20, this one pay 28 naira. So guys, this one pay 18 naira, this one pay 7 naira. As you can see, I already done this in the past. As you can see right here, done 7.20 also. See Twitter, this one Twitter will pay 15 naira. As you can see, guys, so couple all this together. Once you sum this up together, guys, there's no way you won't be making at least your 1,000 naira every single day from this task. And as a student, guys, if you are a student doing this every day, let's say you're making 1,000 naira every day, it amounts to 30,000 naira every month. You can, as you can see right, this, which is really good, which is for me, is really good. It's better than you're sitting there idle doing nothing. You're being in school doing nothing. This is really, really good. As a student, you can participate on this. You can just sign up, the link in the description, and perform this little task. It doesn't mean that you will limit yourself to 1,000 naira every day. You don't know, you don't have to do it. You can aim higher. You can target at least 2,000 naira every day, 3,000 every day. So it depends on how free you are. And guys, just an hour every single day. There's your 1,000 naira daily is guaranteed, as you can see right here. And you can see every day, there are a lot of tasks coming every single day. So participating on this task, as you can see right, let me just show you a trick. Let me show you a trick that you can use to get more money, which is you can target more than 1,000 naira every single day using this trick. So guys, what you want to do is to scroll up to the top, scroll to then, as you can see right here, we are on most recent. Whoa, guys, as you can see right here, health credit, get 1,000 naira new users only. As you can see right, this job will pay 220 naira, guys. You can see dash app, 1,000 naira is guaranteed. So guys, just dedicate at least an hour every day, and guys, you'll be surprised at the amount you'll be making every single month in Nairaworkers. And I want to talk about the withdrawal right now. I want to talk about the withdrawal. For you to be able to withdraw from Nairaworkers, you must meet the minimum withdrawal limit to be able to withdraw, which is 1,999 naira. You can see 2,000 naira, which is the minimum withdrawal limit. Okay, we used to withdraw. So that you'll be able to withdraw, you must meet that minimum required limit before you'll be able to withdraw. As it is, for you to withdraw, what you want to do is to click also. Again, three-line menu on the right corner. So once you click on it, and you go to my wallet, you go to wallet right here. In wallet, you scroll down, withdraw earnings. Once you click on earnings, you'll be able to withdraw. As you can see right here, once you click on withdraw, you can see right here where it says withdraw earnings. You can withdraw your earnings when you earn over 1,999 naira. Withdrawals are processed every Friday. Please make sure your bank details are updated in your profile. So that's just it, guys. So for you to be able to update your bank details, your account number, your account name, and all that, what you need to do is to follow this process, and you come to this profile right here. When you're in this profile, click on the profile, you have to input your bank details and all that. You can see right here. You want to request for payments. Once you want to request for withdrawal, you see right, that's just it, guys. That's how you able to import your bank. So when you want to withdraw, once you want to complete a profile, to update your profile, you just click on profile right here. This blue link right here, this profile link. You click on it, you're able to update your profile. And also, so guys, in case you have any question, kindly leave it in the comment section, and I'll try my best to reply you as soon as possible. And you do a subscribe button so you'll be notified by YouTube each and every time I upload a new video like this. Thanks for watching, guys. And also, guys, don't forget to leave a like to this video. Share it with friends and families to help others. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video.